Sitting on Friday, the Lango Cultural Institution Council of Uitong resolved to hold the enthronement of their newly elected paramount chief in November this year. A 15-sector committee was set to plan the enthronement.
The coronation of the new Nyaci of Lango chiefdom will be on the 2nd of November. We have come up with a roadmap of which we are praying to God to allow us successfully go through it.
Government Chief Whip Dennis Samson Obua was appointed to chair the National Organizing Committee, deputized by Maruzi County MP Maxwell Akwara.
So it's a very significant function that for the first time in many years, in more than 20 years, Lango can come together and showcase to the rest of Uganda that we are also here and we are important. We have now today set about 15 committees that should work with the chairpersons and the members and engage other stakeholders.
The Fofadram Trophy, recently won by Lango, was also handed over to the cultural leader during the council proceeding. The paramount chief-elect called on the clan chiefs to embrace government programs and use them to fight poverty. The council session was, however, disrupted by heavy downpour. The cultural center designated for the cultural council meeting is in appalling state and requires reconstruction. In 2021, the then deputy speaker, late Jacob Olanyo, presided over a groundbreaking ceremony to construct the Lango Cultural Palace. Since then, no structure has been erected on this land.
So for us now, this is what we have. We have been chasing the issue of the palace, which was launched about 3 years ago in 2020. Up to now, nothing has happened. We don't even have places of convenience. We don't have water. We don't have shelter. We don't have any decent facility here.
The contractor is there. What was needed was the physical planning authority of Lira City to approve. And now that they are on the process and OPM has already paid them, it will happen. The contract which was awarded to CMD Investment Limited to start the construction of our palace had expired. But Solicitor General has extended it for a period of 3 years.
Leaders now want the construction process expedited before the extension expires for the second time. Ediulwa, UBC News.